Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again, and today we're going to show you the brand new DMC Porsche 992 GT3. Let's start with the rear. There's a brand new rear wing. It's much bigger than the original one at 175 centimeters. More details about that later on. On the front fenders we have swapped them to beautiful vented ones. Now at the rear, I told you already, the wing is much bigger at 175 centimeters. It's also FIA conform and TUV certified. On the front we can find a brand new front hood. We didn't change the design there, but of course we made everything from beautiful carbon fiber. Now let's turn around one more time and look at the car from the rear, because this is where the brand new wing really shines. I know most of you have seen the brand new GT3 RS. Well, maybe you don't need the car if you look at this. The GT3 is much easier for handling. It gives you less body ache when you drive it with the same looks. Now here we go over to have a look at the 3D scan. This 3D scan procedure, for those of you who have been following us for a while, is probably nothing new. Every time when we do a 3D scan, we either have to add some markers on the car or even add some chalk spray. The chalk spray was supplied to us by one of the partners. It actually dilutes within 10 minutes, or you can of course also give the car a wash. What are these markers or the spray? What is this for? Basically, when we move along the car, some of the areas are very similar, so the scanner might have some problem to see that he's actually moving. So when you add some additional markers like these green dots here, helps for the scanner to keep tracking of the movement. And this spray, well, that's pretty simple. Today we're doing the 3D scan in Thailand, Asia. It's very sunny and we don't always have the perfect environment to do the scan, so the spray just helps us to make the surface less shiny and less reflective. Well, we hope that you liked this brand new preview of the Porsche 992 GT3, which looks like a GT3 RS now, but with less body ache, because the GT3 drives much nicer than the GT3 RS. Tell us in the comments what you like or don't like about it. Please also follow us on the social media, as you can see here. And we're going to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching DMC Live.